These birds, they're so cute, and they really come very near you just to give them food. See how close they are? Just close right here with us. Oh, look!
Dang.
Oh, there's so many, and look. Now we're going to give them food. Watch. Wow! Look at that sight. Oh my God! There's a lot of them, and here we are, just over here with Frida, and it's like, oh look! So cool. This is
Not
Frida.
always. Look
and
at
this
them.
Oh wait, okay, look. They're jumping. They're jumping up and down. Oh my God.
I won.
Mine, mine. Diba sa Nemo? Mine. That's so cool. This is Frida. Hi. This is Zaira. And Khalil. Hell yeah. And of course me. Okay, so that's enough for today. Later on we will make another video.
Later.